This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by selecting the exact columns you want to resize. This is critical because Excel applies changes to the active selection. Click a header letter or drag across headers. Use Control to pick non-adjacent columns and Shift to extend a range. Once done, glance at the name box to confirm the selection like A, C. Now move your cursor to the right edge of any selected header until it becomes a double arrow resize cursor. That's the first actionable step to change width. With the double arrow cursor visible, drag left or right for a quick manual width change. Dragging adjusts all selected columns together. If you prefer precision, right-click a header and choose column width to type a numeric value like 15. 00. Excel uses character units, so this gives consistent results. Alternatively, double-click the boundary to auto-fit to the widest cell in the selection. Once done, use Home right arrow format for the same options if your right-click menu is different or disabled. To complete the task, inspect cells for wrap text or merge cells that prevent expected resizing and adjust those first. Make sure text wrap is on or off depending on the layout you want. If you need to revert, use Home right arrow format right arrow default width to reset columns. Once satisfied, preview in page layout or print preview to ensure widths behave in print. If autofit doesn't work, unmerge cells or clear unusually long formulas. That single troubleshooting tip resolves most stubborn sizing issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.